Okay, I'm on the way. I just had to stop and get a few things that I might need, like extra paracord, and I definitely wanted a little bit of mosquito spray being out here in Georgia. Aside from that, I got a couple of plums. I like plums. And that's it. So stay tuned. I will be arriving shortly. It's looking pretty grim. Let's hope that I make it through this evening. Hey, little dudes. A little hidden oasis tucked away in the trees. Looky here, looky here. A stream. Okay, I found a camping area where you can primitively build your own shelter and have fires, and it's all close to this awesome creek. But you can't build anywhere with 100 feet of it, so I just wanted to come check it out before I scoped my building materials. There's some blessed spiderwebs all across the sea. It's pretty awesome. Take a dip here. Pretty awesome. This is an amazing forest. All right, I found this felled tree and I just took all the sides off, cut it. That's gonna be the center pole for my shelter. Okay, first set of the A-frame done. My center pole here, and I've got the beginning of my shelter. And all in less than 30 minutes. So, Operation Bear Creek adventure is well on its way. All right, now both of those are done. So what we're gonna do is put our pole on after we cut it to length a little bit. I think I got it a little long, so we're gonna cut it down to size. And then once I do that, I'll set that on top, and then I'll start searching for my side pieces. But since they already have some people's fire rings, I'm just going to use the ones that they have. And this one already has a large log and a rock that I can sit by. So, and I'm kind of in the back. So this works really well for me. All right, let's see if we can't get a little bit of this on camera. So what we're gonna do is take our branch that we've got here, it's pretty thick. We're gonna make it the size, and we're gonna debark it just a little so it's not all this schmegma on there, and get all the unevenness out. Above. Chop your hands off. had to. Good way to make it. Hey there, friends. I lost you. Sorry. This tree is a bit slippery. All right, so here's my fire pit. It's the beginning of my primitive shelter. Obviously, I've got to put the sides on. That'll be tomorrow morning. I'm not staying here tonight. I just had to come out and find a spot, and I did. So it's about 5 o'clock now, so I'm gonna head back. But tomorrow I can get this set up and put a tarp over it, and tomorrow night this will be my home away from home. So yeah, pretty cool. I've always really enjoyed being outdoors. My job affords me to travel, and sometimes I get many days off, and when I do, I always find a place like this where there's nothing but me and nature. And I always want to go camping, so I try to come out and build and do what I can and just leave the land the way that I found it. Hope you're enjoying this, and stay tuned. Who knows where I'll go next. We'll be back here tomorrow to finish camp and to stay overnight and see what happens. Bear Creek, this is northern Georgia.